what's up, internet? So I'm photographing this amazing listing that I just really wanted to show you. This is in Palm Coast, Florida, and the agent here is Audra Rhodes of Team Tofal, teamtofal.com. So if you ever need photographs of your house taken, hit up virtualopen.house. That's www.virtualopen.house. But let's check out this listing by Audra Rhodes of Team Tofal. You can actually contact her if you need any help with real estate here in Florida. Check out the front landscaping, looks great. So what I personally really dig is, if you take a look at the fireplace right here, that can be enjoyed from all the angles. That's amazing. And look at this view from the dining room, right? Even though it's towards the front, you see plenty of greenery, trees. It's beautiful, beautiful place to dine at. Then you have a very nice, luscious fan. So you have this vast open space here, and check it out. So you have these outlets, so I'm assuming you're gonna have a couch right here. Boom, look at this view. Isn't this view bitchin'? I just don't have any other words for it. This is a bitchin' view. Look at these steps. Makes the whole entrance much more grand. When's the last time you opened a closet and light came through? Not a lot of times that happens. Let's go enter the kitchen, the helm of the house. Look at that oven. It's like brand new. So you have mostly GE appliances except for Bosch dishwasher. Boom. Look at that breakfast nook. Wow. By the way, tinted glass. And look at these tall ceilings. Woo. Woo! Look at that. Let's check out the garage. I mean, there's cabinets in the garage, and look at that. You got like a workshop. Okay, you got cabinets. I mean, and it's lifted off the floor. That's what's really cool. Look, see? Then you have access door to outside over there. I mean, there's just one giant closet, really. So you have also a little bathroom here. You have access to summer kitchen. It's actually really cool. Look at that. You have your summer kitchen, and literally within a few steps is your actual kitchen. This is so smart. This being a corner kind of gives you more space here. Definitely an interesting layout. I dig it. It gives you this little nook. The main primary bedroom. I love the amount of light that's coming in here. It's amazing. Obviously, we're gonna have a bed here. We're gonna walk right through this bed, imaginary bed, of course, and into this bathroom. I mean, look at this bathroom. So you have 1, 2, 3 layers. Super nifty closet, I'm digging it. And for the grand entrance, the bathtub. Look at those jets. Oh, peekaboo, look at that. This is the greatest room for thinking, because you're in this corner, in this gigantic room. It just makes you feel small and insignificant. Maybe humbles you. Look at this entrance. It's like, cut the corner. Yeah, so this has been an overview of House on Lakeview Lane, I believe. Again, this listing is by Audra Rhodes from Team Tofal. You can check out teamtofal.com.